Hello guys, welcome back to TargetStudy YouTube channel. Today I will be briefing you about one of the most popular and prestigious job offered through SSC CGL exam. And that post is of an income tax officer. Most of the young graduates try to get to this post just because of the respect and social status it commands. In this video, I will try my best to answer most of the obvious questions that come to every income tax officer aspiring candidate's mind, like who is income tax officer? What are the duties of income tax officer? What are the qualities or abilities required to become an income tax officer? What are the eligibility conditions to become an income tax officer? How to become an income tax officer? What are the career prospects of an income tax officer? And what is the salary of an income tax officer? Now, who is an income tax officer? An income tax officer, as the name itself indicates, is an officer who deals with the income tax related matters of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, also known as CBDT, a department of central government in India. Income tax officer, also known as ITO, is one of the most feared as well as respected name, at least in the people who try to conceal their original income, thereby indulging in the tax evasion. What are the eligibility conditions to become an income tax officer? The minimum education requirement for being eligible to become an income tax officer is a graduation in any stream, whereas the age limit for applying for the post of income tax officer through SSC CGL is 21 years to 27 years. In the SSC CGL examination, candidates belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes category are given age relaxation, which is 10 years. For OBC candidates, 3 years, and PWD class candidates, the age relaxation is 10 years. Candidates should also fulfill the minimum physical requirements. Now the crux question, that is, how to become an income tax officer. Every graduate can expect to become an income tax officer by clearing Staff Selection Commission Common Graduate Level exam. SSC CGL exam is a two-phase exam, that is, written exam and interview followed by physical standard or physical fitness and medical tests. For detailed information of SSC CGL exam, you can watch our already uploaded video containing information exclusively on SSC CGL exam. What are the duties of an income tax officer? As there are so many defaulters of income tax in our country, it is the responsibility of the income tax officer to hunt for those defaulters and bring them to the notice of the department so that they can be compelled to pay their tax according to their real income. Duties of income tax officer includes assessment of tax returns and report possible discrepancies in the return filed by individual or companies, etc. This job includes both desk work and field activity. The daily job responsibilities depend upon the branch of income tax office one is posted in. What are the qualities required to become an income tax officer? Candidate having desire to become an income tax officer has to be very brave, hardworking, honest, as well as tactful, as he has to deal with so many high-profile people that may use their influence in high echelons to save themselves and in turn prove the officer wrong or impartial. This is a job for a person with fire in them, but that should be controlled by themselves and should be used as and when required during their raids and investigations judicially. To check these traits, the willing candidates are made to undergo a selection process of written and oral exams conducted by Staff Selection Commission so that only the best among the best could be selected for this highly sensitive post. What are the career prospects of income tax officer? An income tax officer gets various time-bound promotion during the tenure of his or her service, and the best of the batch can go up to the rank of Commissioner of Income Tax. Some of the ranks that an income tax officer can hold before reaching to the rank of Commissioner of Income Tax are: the starting one is of course an income tax officer, then Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, Joint Commissioner of Income Tax, followed by Additional Commissioner of Income Tax, and then Commissioner of Income Tax. What is the salary of an income tax officer? According to the 7th Pay Commission, the starting basic salary of income tax officer is near about 44,900 rupees. He is also entitled to certain perks and allowances like dearness allowance on total pay, transport allowance, house rent allowance if quarters for housing are not provided, petrol allowance, and mobile bill allowance, etc. Some of these allowances like HRA depend upon the city one is working in. However, on an average, the total salary that an income tax officer, including all perks and allowances, can expect to get is over and above rupees 60,000, and takeaway salary after certain deduction like NPS can be as good as rupees 55,000 per month. I hope the information given in this video acquaints you well about this prestigious and highly sensitive job of an income tax officer. If you have just completed your graduation or have taken final exam of graduation, then watch another video on SSC CGL exam and start preparing to fulfill your dream of becoming an income tax officer. And if you find this video informative, please press the like button. If yet to subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it now, so that we can feed you with more such informative educational videos. Goodbye and have a nice time ahead.